everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adesola. As you may or may not know, I've been away for quite some time, but I'm very happy to be back on your screen. So now that I am back, I will be posting lots and lots of videos during this period, especially vlogs. So if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Like, because I know you like this video, comment, share, and put on your notification bell so that you see when I post my interesting vlogs. You're welcome back. For today, I'll be talking about something really serious during this period. I will be talking about how to increase your level of happiness. During this period, a lot of people tend to be sad and be depressed because this is the time of the year where everyone accounts for what they were able to get done during the year. And as we know, 2020 is not a regular year. If you are one of us that were unable to reach our 2020 goals because of the pandemic and all of those things that we could not control, well, this video is for you on how to be more happy. These things are practical. If you put them in practice after seeing this video, you are probably going to be a lot more happier than you are right now. So if you are seeing this video, I urge that you practice whatever you learn from this video in order to increase your happiness. Without further ado, I'd like to get right into this happiness video. Number one tip on how to increase your level of happiness is to acknowledge the fact that every person is a human being. So when you are aware of this fact, you will know that behind every holiday card you see, every WhatsApp status you see, every Instagram post you see, every Snapchat story you see, there is a full story that you do not know. And it is only unfair to you to compare yourself to a post, a video, or whatever thing that other people post, because you see everything that goes on in your life. You see the bad, you see the good, you see the ugly in your own life, but you are just comparing your whole being to this picture, to this video that these people post intentionally for you to see and for you to think that they're actually living the good life. So it is only unfair to yourself to make these people your reference points. I'm sure you're like, there's this guy on my WhatsApp status, he's always going out, he's always balling. There's this girl on my WhatsApp status, she's always going out, she's always balling. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Relax, do not put that pressure on yourself. This girl probably didn't show you Thursday night because she was in her house doing nothing. This boy probably didn't show you Tuesday night, probably because he had migraine from the previous night, so he didn't show you what happened on Tuesday because he was probably in bed and the rest of it. So it is only unfair because you do not know the background story to these pictures, to this post, to these stories. You don't know how they acquire these things. Social comparison is a thief of joy, basically. So every person is a human being, so they have a life, they have the good, the bad, the ugly, just like you do, but they always just post the good. Number two tip on how to be happy is for you to invest in positive experiences. If I asked you, are you happy right now, you're probably going to say yes. If I asked you, what do you think that will make you a lot happier than you are right now, you're probably going to say food. You're probably going to say money. Money for what? Probably money for bone straight hair. Money for what? If you have a raw taste, you probably say money for nice house, fast cars, latest gadgets. But I assure you that instead of investing in these things that you feel like will make you happy, invest rather in positive experiences. Go on a trip, take a vacation, go to a nice restaurant, just have fun, experience fun, instead of investing in these material things, which are not bad. But if you have to choose between taking a trip and buying a car, probably take a trip. If your happiness is priority or you're having fun, take pictures, and I'll tell you why. So for every time you go back to see the videos, the pictures you took while on vacation, you are going to be plus 10% happy. I don't know if That makes sense. And every time you share your experience with someone else, you are going to be at least 15 to 20% happier than you were before you shared the story. Believe me, that does not apply to the new gadgets, your fast cars, your house. You'll be happy, no brainer, but you won't be happy every time you see your car because you're like, oh, this is my car. You will not always derive that happiness you derived the first time you bought that material thing. I hope that you seeing this video right now do not misunderstand this video. So my third tip on how to make you happy is gratitude. Gratitude is giving thanks. Gratitude is acknowledging what you have, appreciating it, even though it is okay to want more. If you want to be genuinely happy, you must acknowledge what you have. You must be grateful for what you have. There was a man, unemployed and poor. A very rich man and kind man went to him and asked him, "Hello man, what do you think if you have right now will make you happy?" The man said, "I just need a job. I'm miserable. I'm always at home doing nothing. I just need a job." So the man was like, "Okay, no problem." Offered him a job with a salary of 50,000 naira every month. The man was like, "Oh, thank you. I'm very grateful," and he left. So after 6 months, the rich man went to him and told him, "Oh, you wanted a job. I did not only give you a job, I also, gave you a salary of 50,000 naira every month. So this is your dream. This is all you have always wanted." And the man was like, "I'm not happy with my salary. If I could get a salary of 100k, I am sure. Do not worry, I will be happy." The rich and kind man said, "No problem, I'll increase your salary." After 6 months again, the man went to him and asked him, "Oh, you always wanted salary of 100k to be happy. You've gotten it. Are you happy now?" And the man said, "You know what? I'm really not that happy. Maybe increase my salary to 250,000 naira." And the rich man said, "Okay, this is the end." Sent him out, and he went back being unemployed and poor and miserable. But that's really not the point. The point is that you have to be grateful to be happy, because we are humans, and as humans we always want more. We are never satisfied. As you earn more, your cost of living increase, so you have to appreciate what you have. It's okay to want more and to always want to achieve more, but acknowledge what you have. Be grateful and thankful for it. A lot of people will die to have what you have. As a Christian that I am, I believe so much in this particular one is about the third. Be grateful. And yeah, this fourth tip is similar to the third tip. This one is about kindness. Kindness improves your level of happiness. I cannot say this enough. It's a fact. Everything you say, for every genuine compliment that you give to people, for everything you give, for every donations you make, you'll be happy. With that, we have come to the end of today's episode of this is not Legal Monday. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you know anyone who needs this video, please share this video to them. Please do not forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Love you guys so much. Bye bye.